How to upload a photo from your gallery on ESPN Fantasy Football. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a custom logo photo on ESPN Fantasy Football. Personalizing your team with a custom logo is a fun way to stand out in your league, so let's get started. So before going to the ESPN Fantasy Football app, you need to go to this website, which is postimg.cc. This website will give you a link for your photo, and that link will never be expired. So what you need to do is upload your photo like I did right here. The upload is completed, and then you come here and you copy the second link, this one, under direct link. We're gonna use this link later to upload our photo. First, go to the ESPN Fantasy website or open the ESPN Fantasy application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your team page. You can find this by clicking on My Team or selecting your league from the home page. On your team page, look for an option to edit your team settings. This may be labeled as Edit Team or have a pencil icon, so click on it to access the logo settings. Next, you see an option to upload a custom logo, so click on Upload Logo and choose the photo. Make sure your logo meets the required size and format specifications, usually a .jpg or a .png file. So once you're happy with it, click Save Changes. To confirm that your custom logo is uploaded, go back to your team page and refresh the screen. You should now see your new logo displayed proudly next to your team name. And that's how you upload a custom logo on ESPN Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more fantasy tips and tutorials, thanks for watching and good luck with your fantasy season.